With almost 4 billion persons on the planet currently and actively connected to the internet, there has never been a better time for businesses to incorporate blogging into their marketing strategy. Not only does blogging drive website traffic and promote your product and services, it also helps you to build trust and authority with your potential customers. Welcome to my channel. My name is Francis Eze and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you are also very much welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video. And if you really care about making money online and you also want to learn more about making money online or new ways on how to make money online, then proceed to subscribe to this channel and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this on how to make money online, you don't get to miss out. Okay, so in today's video, we're talking about those unchanging laws of business blogging, which can actually help your business to grow and all that. There are certain laws that you have to, abide by if you are blogging, and not just blogging, not just personal blogging or any kind of blogging, but if you are blogging as a way or as a marketing strategy to promote your business, your product, or your services, there are things you have to do or things that you have to make sure that you are doing them if you want to achieve good success. Okay, so business blogging basically is a marketing strategy that uses blogging to boost, business online presence, brand awareness, promote services and products and all that. And as a marketing strategy, is nothing far from the normal social media, direct email marketing and all that. It also helps to support your business growth and it helps your business grow faster. Okay, and if you stay with me in this video till the very end, I'm going to talk about what is called traffic banking. Traffic banking is actually one of the ways you can, it's actually a new way or a new strategy you can actually start making money from your new blog in 6 weeks or a little more. Let's say in 8 weeks or less. Okay, that's after you've been monetized anyway. So if you're able to get monetized within a week or within 2 weeks or within 3 weeks, then you can start earning money right away. Okay, so first and foremost, let's hop into the benefits of business blogging. There are so many benefits of business blogging. The first one is it helps you drive traffic, to your business and get you new leads or new customers. Okay, the next one is it helps you to create content that you can repurpose for your social media. When you keep making out all those posts on your blogs and all that, you give your clients or your potential customers content and value that they can easily share on their social media platform. And that way, your business gets more exposed to new traffic, new potential customers, and all that. The next benefit of business blogging is it helps convert traffic to leads. The next benefit is produces long-term results. Okay, long-term results in the sense that the more posts you make on your blog concerning your business, the more doubt you clear from the minds of your customers to be. Because before they will go on to make any purchase or to try to interact with you, they will first and foremost go through whatever thing you have on your blog. And the more they see good value, the more it clears the doubt they have about you in their mind. And that way it's easier for you to make sales. And also when you go on to answer frequently asked questions and all that, you also make it easier for them or for new customers to trust you. And when they trust you, it's actually easier for them to give their money to you for, in essence, for your product or for your service, which they believe that is going to help their life. Okay, so it produces long-term results, very, very important. And that's one of the lasting, check out big companies. That's one of the lasting ways you can actually groom your audience. Always keep them posted, always keep them informed about any new change and all that about your business. And that way you get to make as many sales as possible easily without having so much problem. Next advantage of business blogging is it helps with link building. You know, the whole thing about inbound links, backlinks and all that. Because when you get cited on another bigger website or your post is being referred on a bigger website, it shows that you're actually an expert or an authority in your field or in your niche or in your business. And that way, many persons can easily come across your content, because those backlinks and those inbound links help the Google algorithm to show your content or your posts to rank your posts very well. So whenever people go to the search engine, most of the results that they will see first, yours will come in, because those links, those inbound links, push out your content to be authoritative. So that way, Google ranks it as fast as possible and onto the first page. Okay, so having known the benefit of business blogging, let's now delve right into the laws of business blogging. These are the things you have to do if you're actually blogging for business. You have to take these steps, you have to do these things so they can come out successful. Go against any of these laws, you will be having low return, or you won't be getting as much return as you would have if you had applied these laws of business blogging. Okay, so, and I would like you to pay attention to number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9. Very important, because those laws are easily downplayed. And oftentimes, when you don't get to succeed so much with business blogging, they are also quite, you would hardly point out that this is actually the problem. Okay, so just pay attention to those numbers. So the first thing you have to do if you're blogging for business is always make sure that you have a catchy title, because oftentimes what your potential customers get to see first is your title, and maybe in some cases a thumbnail. So make sure that these content actually are very catchy and they can actually pick it fast and see a reason to click on it and get to engage with your blog posts. The next one is lead, don't follow. Okay, make genuine content. Don't go out there and keep on copying one content and all. Make genuine content. Put out original content that can actually benefit your audience. Let there always be a benefit for the traffic coming to look at your post and all that. Okay? Then the next one is produce original content. Just like an extension of lead, don't follow, is producing original content. Take your time, produce good content. A content that you yourself as the blogger can actually click on, read, and share to friends. The next one is be consistent. That one is a no-brainer. Consistency, because without it, you're going nowhere. Okay? The next one is use graphics, photos, charts, and all that while you're making your blog post, because it makes it interactive, and also it's easier for your audience to catch and get whatever thing you are talking about easily. Then this other one is very, very important. Call to action. Oftentimes, I see so many blog posts that have no call to action. People want to be told what to do, especially if they see you as an authority, especially if they are listening to your advice. And that's why on each and every of my video, I always say, like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon. And if you've not done that, I'm now telling you, like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon so that you don't get to miss out anytime I drop quality content about making money online. So tell people what to do if you're doing business blog. On every of your blog posts, have a call to action button, maybe to subscribe to your email list, or a push notification to accept to get push notifications whenever you drop new content. Okay, very important. And then this next one is outsource. You can never do everything, because your blogging has so many things to be done: content research, content creation, so many analytics, marketing, so many things. Outsource. If you decide to do everything yourself, you get to publish inaccurate content, mushy content, and you lose consistency, because let's be real, you are human. You cannot get all these things done and still try to live your personal life and meet up with some obligations and still come out fine on your business blog. Outsource. Start small. Then the more you make money, outsource more, so they can actually put out quality content out there. Then the next one is, don't always be salesy. Yes, the audience coming to your blog actually need a problem solved. You don't have to put it right on their face that they must buy. Just focus on giving solutions to their problems. Try to identify their pain points. Give out content that to actually help them solve this problem. Then you can actually chip in a paid solution. And once you've given them good value and all that, then so many channels on YouTube right here, they give you quality content, hundreds of videos, free videos. And you see that most of the time when the content creator now have a course or create a course and request that the subscribers buy, they do without any problem because they've gained lots and lots of benefits from that particular channel. Okay, the next one is break up your text. I see so many blogs, they still write essay as if they're in their high schools and colleges. People's attention span nowadays is actually very little. And the moment you give them that visual stress on your content, they simply exit. So break up your text. Don't pack everything on one paragraph. At most, after 3 to 5 lines, create a double line spacing space between that 5-line paragraph and the next paragraph. In fact, for me, when I write, I give as much as 4 to 5 line spacing because it's actually easier for the eye to catch the next information and flow with it without feeling tired. Okay, the next one is educate and entertain. Your audience don't want you to pull them from the level of them seeking for information to that expert level. No, all they just want is to read your content and be sure that you are an expert that can solve their problem. They don't want you to bring in technical things and all that. People that need in-depth information and technical content, actually, that's what courses are meant for. So in your blogging, educate and entertain. Don't make it too technical. Okay, and that's why my channel is Make Money Online, and I go straight to the point. I give you the steps on what to do rather than bringing in some things that you may not really understand along the line. So make it simple for them. Okay, then the next one is write on evergreen topics or write evergreen content. You don't want to focus on trendy content as a business blogger because once the trend is over, it's over. That content may not have any value again. Nobody's going to go online to search for that content. Okay, so write on evergreen topics. That way, year in, year out, things like weight loss, health, year in, year out, people are searching, people are browsing, so that once your site is optimized, you have higher chances of staying optimized and rank high on the first page of the search engine result page. Okay, then the next one is traffic banking. Just like I mentioned earlier on, traffic banking actually is quite is a push notification effect, and there are so many sites or so many push notification sites where you can actually subscribe and get this feature on your website. And what does it do? Simply, it's just more like an advanced level of email marketing, because oftentimes what I see on blogs is that they offer you a free content, which is an ebook or a free information, and get you to put in your email address and name, and they now keep on marketing to you through those emails. Let's be honest, email marketing is almost going really, really down, in the sense that the open rate is actually quite low. You can't publish new content on your blog and send people email notification and expect them to click. Most of people won't click it. So that's where traffic banking comes in. Traffic banking is just for you to use those push notifications and send push notification to your audience whenever you drop new content. And those push notifications come on their notification bar on their phone very easily. It just pops up on their phone, the title of your content, then maybe a thumbnail. And if it's catchy and all that, definitely they will click. So that way you are assured of lots and lots of traffic whenever you publish any content on your platform. And how do the push notification work? Just subscribe to any of these channels, be it Wonder Push, Clever Tap, Bloomreach, One Signal, or Braze. They'll give you a token, a code, which you just install their plugin on your WordPress blog and attach that code, that token it will bring up a pop-up notification on the screen of any new person that engages with your content. And it's very simple. Assuming you are running a weight loss site, the notification will just come down and be like, do you really want to lose weight in less than 6 weeks? Yes, no. Or do you want us to give you information that will help you to lose weight in less than 6 weeks? Yes or no. Once the person clicks yes, they've given you permission to actually send them push notifications. And you don't have to do this actively. Just go to your push notification plugin and put in the right settings that whenever you publish a new content, all the persons subscribed to the push notification will get a notification on their mobile or smartphone. And that way, if you've had like 100,000 persons that have visited your website, whenever you drop a new content, 100 of them that actually clicked yes on that push notification tab will actually get a notice of your new content. Though all of them may not come to your site, but at least you are sure that out of the 100, maybe like 10,000 or 20,000 will actually visit your site. That makes a whole lot of difference compared to you putting out a new content and expecting the search engine to rank it after days. And if your website is already monetized and you have AdSense on it, very easy. So that way you are sure of a steady daily traffic which comes to your website, probably interacts with the AdSense ads that are on the website. And that way you make money on the side, aside making money with the actual business that you are blogging for. Okay, so that's what I promised you earlier, and that's that. So the next one on one of the things to do as a business blogger to come out successful is this: measure your results. There are so many plugins out there that you can actually install in your blog. And once you install any of these plugins, it helps you to go through the metrics. How many views did you get? Where do you get your traffic from? And also to point you towards an angle to actually improve on in terms of your business blogging, so that you can actually get as much traffic as possible, retain as much traffic as possible, and be able to convert those traffic to leads or to sales. Okay, so having been with me in this video up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. And if you've gotten great value from this video, then go ahead to like this video. And if you are really, really interested in making money online, then go ahead to subscribe and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this on how to make money online, you don't get to miss out. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.